Lewis has got a flock of turkeys. There's got to be a dozen of them here. Just watch for the movement. See if we can bring them in closer. Yeah, there we go. See them moving? Yum yum. We got turkeys. Sadly, they're not in season in this part of the world yet, to the south of me, but there soon will be. This is a good sign. I like this. We'll just sit here and give them time to walk ahead. God, this is gorgeous. Still going. Well over a dozen. 2 years ago, I seen one cross my path at 90 yards. There's still one back in there. They'll come up. That's beautiful.